Hey guys, Fabian from iEDI here. Today I'll be going through the iEDI.com online portal and exactly what you can expect from this online portal at your disposal. So to begin with, you want to navigate to our website called iEDI.com, and on here you can read a bit more about what we do and how we convert EDI files and all of the different services we have to offer. And once you're ready, you can click on Login at the top of your screen at the menu, where it will then take you to the login page where you want to insert your email and password. And once you've done so, it will redirect you to your own iEDI.com portal. And on here on the dashboard, we have a bit of brief information about the amount of inbound messages and outbound messages, as well as errors and rejected files. But the real EDI magic, so to say, happens on the EDI tab right here and then under messages, where all of your EDI messages will be showed to you in real time, meaning that if you send an EDI file, it will show up in here instantly, and you can track it along all the way to the recipient. So for example, if you want to look at some of these invoices, which are inbound files in this case, we can click on Show Message and then see the document view, as we call it, which looks similar to a PDF file, the ones that you know. And also we have a bit more information under the Data tab, which shows the complete EDI file if you ever have to show this to your IT department, for example, as well as the log, which also is useful for a lot of information, again, regarding to IT-related jobs. But otherwise, feel free to only look at the document like this and get a bit more information about what items are in this invoice and what the prices are like and so on. And once we've done so, we can go back by clicking on this icon right here. And we are then also able to see, for example, some purchase orders, which in this case are sent from this account and to, in this case, Lego. So if you want to show this message, we can again see the document view of the order and then also select the Data tab, and in this instance also see the outbound EDI file, which is the one we convert the inbound document to, and send it over to Lego. And again, we also have a log for this message, and so on and so forth. But other than that, on the Message tab, you can also organize the account as you like, or as you see fit. So for example, if you are done looking at these three invoices in this case, you can click on Action and Archive selected, and it will then automatically put all of these messages that I selected over to the archive. And speaking of the archive, that is the next tab on the list. And if I navigate over again to the left-hand side on the menu and click on Archive, you can see a whole bunch of messages, so a lot more than under messages. And in here, the same rules apply. So that means you can select a order response or an invoice and click on Show Message. And again, you will have this document view and the same information as under messages. But the smart thing about the archive is that you can search for multiple things at once. So meaning you can, for example, filter after invoices, as I am currently doing now. And then also in the same search, so to say, search for references, document IDs, or receiver names, and so on. So you have a bit more options to search for multiple things at once. But other than that, the archive and the messages look very similar. And that's technically all you need to know for the iEDI.com portal. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at help@iEDI.com or on our help desk, helpdesk@iEDI.com. And take care, have a good night.